this is our triangle. Before we solve for our triangle, we need to find the adjacent, opposite, and the hypotenuse side. So in this triangle, the adjacent side and the opposite side is given. So we need to find for the hypotenuse. To get our hypotenuse, we need to use the Pythagorean theorem is equals to c squared is equals to a squared plus b squared. So we just need to put these values in this formula. So c squared is equals to 6 squared plus 8 squared. Then c squared is equals 6 squared is equals to 36 plus 8 squared, which is 64. Then c squared is equals to 100. Then we will get its square root. So c is equals to 10. So this is our sixth trigonometric function: the sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, and cotangent. So guys, we need first to get the sine, cosine, and tangent. We just remember in getting the sine, cosine, and tangent, the words so, ka, towa. It means that for sine, we need to get the ratio of opposite over hypotenuse. In the cosine, the adjacent over hypotenuse. And for the tangent is the opposite over adjacent. So guys, first we need to get the sine. So sine is equals to opposite over hypotenuse. So it is equals to 8 over 10. For the cosine, ka, it means adjacent over hypotenuse. And for the tan, it is toa, that is opposite and the adjacent. So guys, for getting the cosecant, secant, and cotangent, at first the cosecant, we need to remember that sine is the reciprocal of cosecant. So in this triangle, the value of cosecant is 10 over 8. We just get the reciprocal of 8 over 10, which is sine, and put in a cosecant. In secant, the reciprocal of secant is the cosine. So the value is 6 over 10. So in secant, 10 over 6. And lastly, our cotangent. Its reciprocal is the tangent, and the value of the tangent is 8 over 6. So the value of our cotangent is 6 over 8. So this is our sixth trigonometrical function in this triangle. So lastly guys, we are solving the theta of this triangle. So for solving of the theta for this triangle, we are using the sine is equals to 8 over 10. But how do we get the value of sine 8 over 10? So in this video, we can teach you how to use the scientific calculator for solving this sine is equals to 8 over 10.
This is the way in getting sine 8 over 10 using a calculator. So first divide 8 by 10. So we will get an answer of 0.8. Then we will erase it and press the shift in your calculators. And then the sign. It should look like this in your calculators. Then we will put the value 0.8. Then that's the value of your sine 8 over 10. The answer must be rounded off in their 100th decimal places.
So the value of our theta is 53.13 degrees. So that's it.
In order to get a 45 triangle, you must do a square. We all know that all sides are equal. So if you put value in this side 1, all these sides will become 1. You must divide into equal parts. Make trapezoid. So if this is x, so this is a equals 1, b equals 1. To know the value of x, you must use Pythagorean theorem. So c squared equals a squared plus b squared. C squared equals the value of a is 1 squared over hypotenuse. So this is 45 degrees, its opposite is 1, and the hypotenuse is 2, plus 1 over square root of 2 over square root of 2 times square root of 2 over square root of 2 plus square root of 2 over 2. So in cosine 45 degrees, its formula is adjacent over hypotenuse. So adjacent is sine 45, adjacent is 1, hypotenuse is next square root of 2. So 1 over square root of 2. You must rationalize this. Square root of 2 over square root of 2 plus square root of 2 over 2. In tangent 45 degrees is 1, and the formula of tangent over 45 degrees is 6 over adjacent. Opposite is 1 over adjacent. Well, 1 over 1. And getting the value of cosecant, you must reciprocal the value of sine, so which is square root of 2. And getting the value of secant, you must reciprocal cosine, which is square root of 2. Okay. Getting the value of cotangent, which is the reciprocal of tangent, which is 1.
We derive 30, 60, 90 triangle in isosceles triangle. Each side of isosceles triangle are equal to 1. This is 1, this is 1, and this is 1. This is 60, this is 60, and this is 60. In order to get 30, 60, 90 triangle, we divide it into two equal parts. 60 divided 2 is equal to 30 degrees. This is 90. In order to get the value of V, we need to divide 1 into 2, which is equals to 1 half. This is the value of our C. And we get the value of X. Using Pythagorean theorem, A squared is equals to C squared minus B squared. A squared is equals to 1 squared minus 1/2 squared. A squared is equals to 1 squared is equals to 1. 1/2 squared is equals to 1/4. 1 minus 1/4 is equals to 3/4. A squared is equals to 3/4. We simplify A. We're gonna cancel this. A is equals to square root of 3 over 2. In order to get sine, cosine, tangent, we will use the SOHCAHTOA. In order to get sine 30, we will use opposite over hypotenuse. Our opposite side is 1, and our hypotenuse is 1. 1/2 divided by 1 is equals to 1/2. In getting cosine 30, we will use adjacent over hypotenuse. The value of our adjacent is square root of 3 over 2. And the value of our hypotenuse is 1. Square root of 3 over 2 divide 1 is equals to square root of 3 over 2. In getting tangent 30 degree, we will use the opposite side over adjacent. The value of our opposite side here is 1/2. Our adjacent is square root of 3 over 2. 1/2 divide square root of 3 over 2 is equals to 1 square root of 3. We rationalize it. Square root of 3 over square root of 3 is equals to square root of 3 over 3. Getting cosecant 30 degree, we will reciprocal the answer of sine 30, which is 2. In getting secant 30 degree, we will reciprocal the answer of cosine 30 degree, which is 2 square root of 3. We will rationalize it. Square root of 3 over square root of 3 is equals to square root of 3 over 3. In getting cotangent 30 degree, we will reciprocal the answer of tangent 30 degree, which is equal to square root of 3.
So baby, pull me closer in the